Hey, my name is Marcel Horn, owner of HPA Motorsport up here in Langley, BC. Most of you know us as a Volkswagen Audi tuner, some 33 years now. We specialized over that time creating forced induction kits for the naturally aspirated motor. We proudly design and manufacture all parts here in-house. Behind me is not a Volkswagen or an Audi, rather a 2016 GT4 981 platform. And much like the 718, these gorgeous vehicles struggle when they're in a crop of cars on the track for fresh air. Now this particular owner spends a lot of time on the track, and he was hunting a Ram Air solution that he just couldn't find on the internet. Surprises us with such a prestigious brand that the options are so little and far and few between. Our engineers were keen to get after it, and I'll be proud to showcase what we came up with. The fit, the finish, the function is worthy of the Porsche nameplate. When you close that hatch and you look at the gorgeous individualized air tubes out of carbon, and you get into the detail of the manufacturing process and how it fits in that trunk, it should catch your eye. Whether it's a weekend warrior, a daily driver, or a full-blown track weapon, we believe we have the solution for you. We invite you to our website and are keen to hear your thoughts.